Everyone, welcome back to my channel again for a long time later. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook app issue when it's not working. Sometimes the app crashes, doesn't open, or the newsfeed doesn't load properly. Don't worry, I'll share some quick and easy solution. Let's get started. So first, let's understand the main reason why the Facebook app not work. First reason is Facebook server outrage. Second is using an outdated version of app. Third is too much cached data stored in the app. Fourth is poor or unstable internet connection. 5. Phone software glitches or bugs. So now we come in a solution how to solve it. Okay, so I will tell you and show that how the steps we follow. So first step is close the Facebook app and open it again. So let's try it. Go to Facebook. Okay, so if it's open now, I have no issue on my Facebook. So if you have any issue, then just click here and close the full backend running process and start it again. If there is a issue, it could be solved for doing this. If you followed this step, then we have to follow another step. The second one is update the app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. So I have Android, so I am going to the Play Store. Here we go, and search icon, click here, Facebook. Okay, if you have the updated version or latest version, then just click open, or if you don't have it, then left side showing the update button, just click update button and update it. I think the problem will be solved following these steps. If not solved, then follow our third hacks, which is restart your phone. So I have using Samsung phone, so I have the restart or power button here. So here you can click restart and restart your phone. I think it worked for you. If the two step is not working for you, I think third step will be working for you, and it will solve the app issue. Then we move forward our fourth step, which is check if your internet connection is stable. So sometimes our internet connectivity was not good, so you can check it again. Here is my connected Wi-Fi name, SK. You can just on off it and connect it again, and see here the signal on the upper side. There show is the full signal I got. So it could be an issue, so work on it. I think it will be work for you. And the final step is when long time we use Facebook app, Facebook itself collects some cache, which is kind of helpful for us, and sometimes it given some problem also to us. That's why sometimes Facebook is don't work properly, so you can just do it simple process, which is tap long tap Facebook app and then click the I button and scroll down. There is app details in store. Okay, sorry, I made the wrong choice. I move back and storage, here storage and clear cache, here right side cache, clear the cache and try to re-log in your username and password on Facebook app and follow these steps. I think it will be work for you. So that 5 steps I shared with you. I think when your Facebook app is not working, you can follow these steps and solve your issues. So friends, these were some simple reason and solution for the Facebook app not working issue. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.